Hello everybody. So today we are reading Lost in the Internet. So so have you ever got lost in the real world? Well, can you imagine how it would be like lost in the internet? Let's read this story and find out. Let's start. So Kunal loved the internet. He was always asking mommy for her phone so he could watch videos. Don't watch for too long or you will get pulled in, mommy warned him. Kunal watched the video of cartoon ninjas. Then he watched the one of us volcano spewing lava. Then he watched one of a baby playing with a dog. With each video, Kunal's face came closer and closer and closer to the screen. Suddenly, scoop! Kunal was sucked into the internet. Where am I? Kunal had landed on a platform in a strange train station. All around him, trains whooshed through tunnels. A sign popped above his head. It read, "Go router." How did I get here? Kunal wondered. And how will I get out? Then Kunal saw a woman on the platform. She looked very busy directing the trains. "Excuse me, Aunty," he said. "Where are all these trains going?" Kunal asked her. "I'm transmission control protocol," she said busily. "But you can call me TCP. These trains are taking data to different parts of the internet." Kunal watched as TCP as her hand swiftly moved things around a large screen. "Wow, what are Kunal said. "What are you doing, TCP Auntie?" "I am routing data to the internet, of course," replied TCP. "Everything has to go fast, fast, fast." Train whooshed away, carrying data in every direction. "Are all the phones and computers on the internet connected?" asked Kunal, an idea forming in his head. "Yes," said TCP Auntie. "All the devices on the internet are connected. These tunnels are actually wires, cables, radio waves, and satellites in space." TCP Auntie, if all of the uh, the devices on the internet are connected, can you help me get back home? Of course. She looked Kunal up and down, up and down. "We'll send you by packet switching. First, we'll break you into a few thousand pieces. Then we'll send all your bits by different paths and put you back together later." "No," Kunal said. Isn't there another way?" TCP frowned. "Sending you all together by circuit switching is a lot less efficient. But if you insist, now let me ask your mother for your address." "But I know my address," Kunal said, confused. "Not your home address," replied TCP Auntie. "Your internet address." She opened up a chat window in the air and quickly explained everything to Kunal's mother. "We host a website on my computer, kunalbabypictures.com. Can you find that?" said Mummy. "We can find your mummy's computer looking in internet protocol or IP," TCP said. "Every computer and website on the internet has a unique number called an IP address." TCP opened a big book with DNS written on the cover. This book contains the address of every website on the internet. She told Kunal. She looked through it carefully until found it. "Here," said TCP, "you need to be encrypted so that nobody else can grab you on the way." TCP handed Kunal a hat and silly glasses with a nose and mustache attached. "You are very sensitive data indeed," she said. Goodbye, TCP Aunty, Kunal replied cheerfully. Kunal was moving fast, very fast. His arms and legs were tingling, and then he was back home. My dear mummy said, it's good to have you back. Next time, learn about the internet by reading about it, not getting lost inside it. Kunal loved the internet, but he loved being home even more. What is the internet? The internet is a name for all the different computers, phones, and tablets that are connected to each other. It's a system spread across the entire world. It lets us transfer data from one computer to another through copper wires, fiber optic cables, and radio transmissions, and satellites in space. Every device that is connected to the internet has a unique number called an IP address. So, how does data travel? So, many kinds of data are sent through the internet, such as emails, web pages, video chats, and pictures. The Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, is a set of rules and procedures used by computers to transfer data by first breaking it into chunks called packets. The packets are put back together again in the right order when they reach their destination. This method of data transfer is called packet switching. In circuit switching, the entire data is sent through a single path. This is a less efficient method than packet switching. So next time when you get lost, think about getting lost inside the internet. But don't watch for too long, or you might get sucked in like banana. So, internet